Hey, what's up, Dividend Nomads? What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Really quick, a super quick video for you today. I made a couple moves in my Roth IRA yesterday, which was Monday night, and Monday night for me. Anyway, I made a couple moves there, and I thought I'd share that with you guys really quick, and just so you stay on top of what's happening in real time. So, really fast, I'm gonna dive into my computer really quick and show you the outcome of those moves and exactly what I did, and tell you why I did it. So 3, 2, 1, bam. All right, so here we are in my spreadsheet for my Roth IRA. This isn't my taxable brokerage. As you guys know, I've been working on restructuring my Roth IRA, and I sold 2 of these positions that you see listed on the screen here. I just didn't remove them from here yet, but I did add them to the sold positions tab, and then I'll go ahead and remove them from here later. This is Tuesday morning. So this is the sold positions, and I'll show you what I did. Let me make it bigger for you. You can see the very last 2 here. QDTE, see the date there? That was last night for me. And Nvidia, I cut Nvidia also, and this was last night for me. And I did these for 2 different reasons. As I mentioned, I'm trying to restructure the Roth portfolio and get away from high yield dividends in the Roth, but I might keep 1 or something like that just to get a little income boost. But the Roth IRA, I can't touch it for 15 years, and I'm looking for more growth. So this is what I'm going to share with you another reason why I sold these as well. But if you look here, the outcome of the sale, let me just make it big over here to this side. So we have, see, this was further back. QDTE, we'll just keep it here. I'll just tell you on the, hey, what's going on here? Hold on a minute, my stupid thing messed up. Trying to keep it bigger on the screen here so you guys can see. All right, so QDTE is this top one here, the white one. Let me put a box around it right there. I made a total return of $104, so not much, but I did sell it for a positive total return. And you can see that works out to a total return of 3%. So I did get out of this positively, and I'm gonna deploy this capital somewhere else that has more growth potential in the Roth IRA. Why is this up with my spreadsheet? Why does it keep jumping around? Okay, the one you see below right here, this is Nvidia. I'll make it bigger, total return. I did lose $136 on this, but I went ahead and wanted to hurry up and escape it because I have a feeling about this play, and I may be wrong, but I do have a feeling about this, that it's gonna struggle and do worse. So I decided to go ahead and cut it while I could. So I went ahead and got out of Nvidia in this. I did lose $136, and that's 5%. Now let me share with you why exactly I decided to do that. What's up with my spreadsheet thing today? Anyway, if you look here, this is Nvidia, not Nvidia, right? But if you look at Nvidia, this is a year-to-date chart. Make it bigger for you. You can see just this past month, we were way down here, and this thing had a massive run-up. And see, we're almost at the peak of where this has been for the year. And a lot of people, analysts and things like that, are actually saying Nvidia is nearing a peak and they're expecting a sell-off. And if there is a sell-off in Nvidia is probably gonna sell off too. But I'm gonna show you guys this comparison here. You can see here like this, not quite doubled, but it almost doubled in a very short amount of time. Like look here, April the 4th, it was $94, and now it's at 142, and the peak is up here at what, like 148 or something. So it's almost near a peak, and it, when you get up here, this is even a double top right here where it's at now. It may fall, and if it does, let me show you this chart really quick. Let's look at NVDA. So you see the massive run up here on this chart. Let's look at NVDA. If we look at NVDA on the same time frame, look what it's done. It's just kind of chopped around. It didn't have a massive run up. And if this couldn't have a big run up when Nvidia had a big run up, you can imagine what this is going to do when there's a big fall. I mean, you can see the chart here on Nvidia. Look at this. See how far this has fell, how deep it fell. And we'll compare this to the Nvidia chart just for fun. So you look at this one. See this one, how this one fell? Oh, this today here, the year to date. See this one, it fell a little bit, and it chopped around and fell and fell and fell. And our Nvidia play did the same thing. It fell massively too. But if you saw the Nvidia chart, it ran up almost a double in 1 month. And look at our Nvidia play, it just slowly creeping around, not doing much. So I don't want to hold this much longer, trying to get more out of it, because I don't think it's going to give much more. And I'm just happy with go ahead and cut it short, take my losses and move on and go somewhere else. So that's what I did and why I decided to do it. And I thought I would share that with you guys, just to let you know my thinking behind why I was getting rid of it. And also, like I said, I'm restructuring the Roth IRA, so I don't want it in there anymore. And just for fun, I'll show you guys really quick. 3, 2, 1, bam. Okay, here's my Charles Schwab, my Roth IRA account. And I'll show you guys, we got $50,752 here. And you can see I've got $28,153 in cash. And if you look at, view all the positions, I've only got this Rigetti position. And then I've got Misty and XDTE. And that's the only 3 things that are in this portfolio right now. 780 shares of Misty, 112 shares XDTE, and I've got 100 shares of Rigetti. And I also sold a covered call on Rigetti so I could earn some income. And you can see that covered call is up 60%. So this one is, doing really well. I sold a 1350 covered call on this one. So when this gets to like, 80%, I'll probably just buy it back and then open up a new one so I can get more income faster. But for now, that's what I got going on here. This 28,000, I'm gonna hold on to a little bit longer, but I'm gonna deploy it soon somewhere. I might even just put it into like SWVSVXX. It pays like 4% yield every week, every 7 days, and just somewhere to park the money until I can, have enough money to do what I want to do in this portfolio. So that's what I did. The moves I made yesterday. Just wanted to share that with you guys really quick, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.